All right, today we're going to bring an actual flush fan. Now, this one comes with two different sizes. You have the long bar, which is right there, and then you got the short bar. Today we're going to use the short bar. Now, light bulbs are not included with this, but they do include the remote where you can see it from here. On the remote, it's very basic. You're going to have on and off button, all right, and different cycles, 1 through 6 for the fan, 1 hour up to 4 hours, right? Now, you can turn off the lights from here too. Control the light fixture from here all at once too. So we're gonna put this together, and the only thing you have to be worrying about, because this has a little weight, so you got to make sure you have a nice strong top before you actually start mounting this. So we're gonna set this up right now. All right, the last part is to get your bulbs, your light bulbs. All right, and before you turn it on, so I got it pretty high here, if you guys can see. Right now I choose the brown color, but you can do black, optional, all right? It's flush on the top, if you guys can see that. It took me about maybe an hour to set this up because the fans were a little stubborn sometimes, but other than that, I did the right thing by setting it up on the floor and then just putting this from the top. So you are going to need access to a ceiling. Make sure you have a ladder or maybe some help to set this up. But let's go ahead and turn it on and see how it looks. All right, so here's the final product right now, if you guys can see. We're going to turn it a little higher right now, but you could do the plus. We're going to say high. Look, it's not even the lowest. Actually going higher. And then we could turn off the light too. Turn off the light completely and then turn it back on. So you have an option to turn it on and off on the actual system, and you could dim it down from within the actual controller. So I like that. We're gonna go back up. Now we're gonna do number 1. Now, very simple. If for some reason your fan is a little bit wobble, they give you a couple of weights, a little tiny weights that you could set up on the edge of the actual fan. Now, if you can see, the fan is really strong. Right now, that's just level 1. You could change the color of the actual propellers. They work very well. They extend really long, all right? So if you are in need of a fan that throws air throughout the entire room, this is perfect. Not only that, you set up your own light bulbs, so you could add as bright as you want. And then the best thing about it is that you can control all this with the remote.